Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. 90% of cyber cafes in Vasco nexus with stamp makers in fake ID card racket. CBI says Vasco a sleeping terror volcano. Goa Police not bothered. Prudent Exclusive. Goa-Mumbai special train. Wi-Fi at Madgaon railway station by January, says Minister Suresh Prabhu. Plans two-way lines for Konkan Railway. Safety audit on. CCP to terminate 330 workers, calling strike illegal. Police ready for crackdown. KTC drivers, 65 daily wage workers pressed into service. Workers' union adamant on strike. And Atletico de Kolkata win Indian Super League. Kerala Blasters go down fighting in dramatic finish to inaugural ISL. Now the news in detail. CBI raid on Thursday in a cyber cafe and a stamp maker shop in Vasco has once again strongly indicated a possible breeding of terror ingredients in the vicinity. A CBI officer close to this probe informed Prudent that almost 90% of cyber cafes in nexus with some stamp makers are indulged in fake ID card selling racket. The CBI officer also termed Vasco a sleeping volcano of terror. Shockingly, despite alert by the CBI, Goa Police is turning a blind eye to this anti-state activity. Watch Prudent Exclusive.
Dreaded terrorist Yashin Bhatkar, absconding terrorist Tariq Ahmad Batlu, terror suspect Afzal Khan. Each one has some or other connection with Mormugao Port City. Every terror element tried to spread their wings in Goa through Mormugao. For some it was a hideout and for some it was a destination to promote their ideas and plans. But from David Headley to Yashin Bhatkar, Goa Police knew nothing till the central agencies landed for a probe. And the suspects who were caught, Goa Police could not take their probe to a logical conclusion and lost their custody. Vasco being a port city and prominent industrial area, countless migrants flock in the town. They settle here in chawls and zhopadpattis. Poor and uneducated youth are always a lucrative target of such anti-state actors. After intense investigation for many days, CBI team on 6 December had arrested one railway parcel department staff, Fayaz Mulani, posted at Vasco railway station for a fraud in public parcels. Following investigation revealed that most of the cyber cafes of Vasco are indulging in selling fake identity cards like fake driving licenses, election voters card and even Aadhaar card. A CBI officer linked with the investigation of railway parcel fraud case on the condition of anonymity told to Prudent that they were shocked to know that after spending few bucks, any fake ID can be procured in Vasco. The officer also said that due to limited jurisdiction, CBI cannot raid every cyber cafe indulged in such activity. The CBI officer also said that on the basis of the fake IDs, any terrorist can buy SIM card, mobile phone, bike or car and can use it for anti-state activity. When the state CBI unit felt that the activity can be root cause of big terror attacks, they approached a senior officer of Goa Police to share this info. The CBI officer says that even after the specific information, Goa Police did not take any action and preferred to turn a blind eye. CBI in its raid conducted on Thursday in a cyber cafe and a stamp maker shop in Vasco has seized many fake documents. When terror links of Yashin Bhatkar in Goa was revealed after his arrest in 2013, investigation had led National Investigation Agency team to a cyber cafe in Vasco. But it is shocking that Goa Police local intelligence units are ignoring info from the key agencies like NIA and the CBI.
Goa Police claims that state ATS is now fully functional with full strength. But the question remains unanswered that how and why specific information from central security and intelligence agencies are often ignored by the local police and local intelligence. With Bureau Inputs, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa to get a special train from Goa to Mumbai by end of January. Wi-Fi connectivity at Margao railway station by 31st January. Union Minister for Railways Suresh Prabhu announced in his visit to Goa on Saturday. Union government has proposed two-way lines for Konkan Railway. Minister has asked Konkan Railway to identify danger tracks on Konkan Railway route and prepare a safety audit report. Suresh Prabhu informed that entire Indian Railway would be electrified.
Goa would get a special train in the new year. Suresh Prabhu said Goa to Mumbai bound train will be inaugurated in January.
We are now decided to start a special train in collaboration with Goa government and maybe government of Maharashtra over a period of time to promote tourism between Mumbai and Goa. So this train will be run and the circuit can be decided by the Goa government. We can decide the circuit. This could be a customized circuit. This is the railways will give the rakes to ICRTC. They will run the train as a collaborative effort between government of Goa and government of India. Try to work with as quickly as possible, hopefully before end of the year.
He also informed that Margao will get Wi-Fi connectivity by 31st January. He also informed that railway stations in India will be electrified. Konkan Railway Tracks has witnessed several derailments in recent times. When questioned, Minister said KRC has been asked to identify danger tracks and prepare a safety audit report.
म्हणून आता कोकण रेल्वेचे प्रश्न सोडवण्यासाठी कोकण रेल्वे प्राधिकरणाला 40 कोटी रुपयांपर्यंतचे अधिकार हे मी मंत्री आल्यानंतर पहिल्या 3 आठवड्याच्या आत त्यांना निर्णय घेऊन माझी फाईलवर सही पण झाली. त्यामुळे आता जर ट्रॅकचं मेंटेनन्स करण्यासाठी जर त्यांना काही निर्णय घ्यायचे असतील तर ते तत्कालीन निर्णय ते इकडे घेऊ शकतात. दिस इज माय डायरेक्टिव्ह टू कोकण रेल्वे टू कंडक्ट अ व्हेरी क्विकली अ सेफ्टी ऑडिट, फाइंड आउट अ vulnerable spots, find out the areas which are possibly susceptible to accidents and take necessary steps to make railway travel safe and secure.
Suresh Prabhu inaugurated Disaster Management Center of Konkan Railway at Margao. Foundation stone was laid for upgradation of Thivi railway station. Also, a lake resort will be built for the benefit of tourists at Karmali. Mahesh Khadi and Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.